Hey boys and girls, welcome to another super exciting, outrageous toy review. Today we're taking a look at the Nintendo Amiibo of Jigglypuff. Pika Pika! Oh Pikachu, it's a Jigglypuff in the wild. Jigglypuff! Here's Jigglypuff out of the package. This pink Pokemon can be used in Smash Brothers, Mario Party 10, Yoshi's Woolly World, and many other games. You can see she's got the Smash Bros logo on her base there. And she's got a little clear rod that helps her float around. Pokemon lulls her enemies to sleep by singing. Jigglypuff! Thanks for watching this super exciting, outrageous toy review. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and check out our other videos.